I tested it in my other vacuum, so yeah. And this will get a pretty good job, actually. Yeah, it did a pretty good job. It makes like a weird noise when it turned off. And yeah, and just, yeah, I don't know. It's like this little Hogwarts compact. Oh, shoot. Sorry. Okay, so it has really nice bristles. It's not laying in here. So it's got nice bristles. None of them is gone. Awfully awesome. I love this thing. And it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. 5 screws, that's a lot. But I don't get those 5 screws. But, oh. That doesn't mean it's annoying. And the power button, I unplugged it. Oh, maybe that's why it's making weird noise. There's a lot of chunk of air. That's kind of annoying. And I don't really like that. The hose is not clogged, so that's good. It's a built-in hose. Like, it's like chunk. It's just don't chunk like that. I don't want. But this was not really chunk, but it's like the screws. I'll be taking off eventually. All of them, every single one. And including this one. Please take this cover off. And that one. And the headpiece. And the one behind the photo, and the one behind that photo holder. So it's kind of funny. Then one behind the handle. So, I believe, guys, this screw takes out that bottom cup where it goes to that handle. To this handle, clicks its place. Then I'll take a breastplate. Yeah, so it's got these plastic housings here that also spins for the vacuum base. And yeah. I'll go empty it and open right back. I'll find this green, guys. And yeah, there's a lobster in there. I need to clean it out. It's awfully dusty. That's why it's making a weird noise. I need to clean this filter out too. I'll find green. I need to clean this filter out too. So yeah. And I'll clean the hose. I'll clean this part too. It's not broken, so that's good. I'll clean these parts too. And then this is a good part. And these that's what's everybody for. I think you can now take out this. I'm not going to take out this because I don't want to break it. Anyways, these cords do twist. And the cord just come out. So you do this, twist them. That's neat. Yeah, that's pretty neat, guys. Pretty neat for a nifty vacuum cleaner. Yeah, it's pretty neat for a vacuum cleaner. Awesome. Well, when these cords torn. Wait, the door devil cords do not turn on the door devil or the circle or the bracket, or this one does. So I like it. Awesome. it's like when you're vacuuming and you, well, I don't know. It's got these nice wheels. There's a container, which is kind of 3. Oh. Let me show you. So, here's the filter out. Ugh. It's annoying. Here's the filter. Clicks. And there's a button you can kick off lighting if you don't want it. I don't want the gas go over here, so I need everything in that garbage can. Yeah. So, I gotta bring you guys in here in my room, but it won't take long. I promise it won't take long. I know, right? Alright, so I'm gonna leave the vacuum out. And yeah. Clinking is pretty good. It'll just sound like that. It's got, oh, it's a sneeze. That's good. Yeah. This is strong plastic. That was really good. Something really lightweight. And anytime I got like a camera, or actually no camera. Okay, so anytime I got like a old black decor, that old style, and that one burned out for some reason. It had like bad more in it probably. And that one was just junk. Well, I liked it. It lasted for me. I was lasting for a long time. Since I was like 7 years old, I got it. And when I was like 8 years old, it burned out on me. So that's why I got a new one. The new black and decor air swivel. And then I was happy when I got this vacuum. The Bissell Powerforce Compact. And I really wanted this one really badly. I think this vacuum's awesome. It's the best vacuum ever. It's just kind of, I don't know. It's got nice cord. It's unplugged. Still just something like that. It's not clogged. Anyways. So here's the back of the vacuum, and that gives you is more, I don't know. And then clicks. This one's awesome. I'm gonna go empty it. Okay? Okay, let me go empty the canister. That was kind of dirty. I think. I don't know. I'm just gonna go empty it right now. So, stuff. It's my room. And I have it actually open. So, let me go sit you guys down where they can. Okay. So, let me go empty it. Still just turn it like that. Oh, wow. Maybe that's why I was making a noise. There's a loud song over here. Just kind of annoying. Anyways. All this stuff out. Looks like dog hair. For some reason it was making a ring of noise. But disgusting now to feel. Yeah, that's why it's making a ring of noise. Ugh. It's really dirty inside. I gotta clean it out. I'm right back in this up. Ugh. Keeps doing this for some reason.